Do you want your image to become excellence? What if you could enhance them in just 1 second? Now it's possible to save hundreds of millions annually for freelancers and businesses on the path of effective development and streamlined operations. You can do it in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, select the image you want to process. Step 2, choose a reference image for style matching. Step 3, set your save path. And that's it. Your image is processed in just 1 second. Enjoy a wide range of fast output options, totally automatically in 1 second. Easily fine-tune with advanced parameters. Batch process multiple images and videos at once. What are you waiting for? Try it now. Contact at email contact@ccreviewflow.com or visit ccreviewflow.com for more details.